Okay, this is from 2009 nest, again based on graphs. Suppose f of x is minus x squared plus bx plus 1 and g of x is x squared plus 2x plus c are such that maximum of f of x is less than or equal to minimum of g of x as x varies over the set of all real numbers. The least possible value of c is 0, 1, 2 and root 5. Okay, what functions are given? We are given two functions, minus x squared plus bx plus 1, and then we have got this g of x, x squared plus 2x plus c. Okay, and then we are given this condition that maximum of f of x should be less than or equal to minimum of g of x. Okay, three informations are there, three pieces. Okay, first observation, because of this negative sign the graph of f of x will be inverted u, right? And the graph of g of x, because it is positive, will be something like this. Okay, now what they want basically to tell us is a condition involving c such that the largest value of f of x should be less than or equal to the minimum value of g of x, meaning if this is the line that separates the graphs, then the graph of g of x will be on or above that line and the graph of f of x will be on or below that particular line. Is this part clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now how to solve the problem? What we can do is we can definitely try to find out these 2 points and their values, the coordinates, etc. So how to find that? You can use derivatives. First take the derivative here, that will be minus 2x plus b equated to 0. Right, if you equate it to 0 you will get b equals to x or x equal to b by 2, and there is no need to go for the second derivative because you already know that the second derivative will be constant and negative, so that will be maximum. Okay, so what will be f max? F max will be negative b by 2 squared plus b into b by 2 plus 1. So negative b squared by 4 plus b squared by 2 plus 1. So that will be 1, okay, half minus 1 by 4, 1 by 4. So 1 plus b squared by 4. Is that clear? This part, f max is 1 plus b squared by 4.
Yes.
Okay. Now let us come to g. Okay, let me find g dash of x here. 2x plus 2 equated to 0. So x will be minus 1. X will be minus 1. So g min will be minus 1 squared, so 1 minus 2 plus c, or c minus 1. Okay, now you basically want this. Now okay, now use this inequality. Okay, use this inequality. Okay, use this inequality. F max is this, so let me write it here, and min g is c minus 1. Let me write it here. One plus b squared by 4 should be less than or equal to c minus 1. Okay, now please pay attention. They want us to find out the least possible value of c. Okay, they want us to consider the least possible value of c. Okay, now if they want us to calculate the least possible value of c, is it right to say that we should consider the smallest of the maximums that f of x can have, considering b?
Repeat your statement.
I am saying they want us to calculate the smallest possible value of c. Correct? Smallest possible value of c. I am saying if that is the case, for the maximum value of f of x, which now we know to be 1 plus b squared by 4, we should consider the least possible value of the max f of x, which means this should be considered, or this should be made 0. That's its smallest possible, because we want it to be smaller than c minus 1, or in turn to be less than c. Is that clear or no?
Clear.
Others, did you understand that?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Look here. 1 plus, okay, let us rearrange the terms. Let us shift this minus 1 here. So that will make it 2 plus b squared by 4 less than or equal to c. Okay, so what is the least possible value for this inequality, as b squared by 4 is greater than or equal to 0? C min should be 2. Okay, C min should be 2. Option C.